Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to split screen on your Mac. For that, first of all, make sure you have two apps or windows open that you want to use side by side. As you can see, I have opened Chrome already. Now I will open Safari as well. Now, if I want to split these two windows, then simply hover over the green button on the top left corner. Here you will see three options, that is enter full screen, tile window to left of your screen and tile window to right of your screen. You can choose any one between these two. For now, I'm choosing tile windows to left of screen. Now just click the second window you want on the right side. And that's it. In this way, you can easily split screen on your Mac. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.